Good morning and welcome to another Fun Friday video from 303 Tech. I'm Clint Larson. Hey, today we're going to be talking about the vulnerability that was discovered in the Apple iOS stuff. It's called a zero-click vulnerability. And what that means is you don't even have to do anything and they can get access to your devices. So this zero-click vulnerability that was discovered, I guess it's been discovered a little while ago, but it's just now starting to come mainstream. So if you have any Apple device, so Apple Watch, iPad, phone, a computer, whatever, you need to go through and force some updates to get this vulnerability fixed. So what this vulnerability does is it allows the hacker to send you a GIF or a picture, but your computer doesn't ever have to do anything with it, because once this gets launched on your computer or gets sent to your computer or device, watch, iPhone, whatever, it then allows a backdoor access to everything that's on your device. So you really need to go through and patch those devices. This is a critical piece. So anybody that has any Apple devices, please go out and force an update to make sure that your devices are protected. So if you guys need any help with this, please let us know. Remember, here at 303 Tech, we like to keep you simply connected. Thank you.